Tired of budgeting apps that look great, then break when you need them most? Glitchy syncing, missing data, zero real insights. It's frustrating. That's exactly why I tested Monarch Money. It claims to be the all-in-one budgeting app that actually works, from cash flow tracking to investment monitoring. So, does it live up to the hype? Well, I dug into every feature, and here's what I discovered. But before I even got into the features, I actually looked at real user feedback, not just the polished reviews, but the complaints too. One user liked the app, but thought $100 a year was steep for just cash flow and net worth tracking. Fair, not everyone uses every feature, but the vast majority, they're sticking with Monarch for one simple reason, and that's because it works. One guy said he tried nearly every budgeting app out there, like Copilot, Simplifi, Empower, you name it, but Monarch's the only one that he renewed. Another praised their improved syncing and clear communication, like when banks disconnect and they need to tell you about it. Little things like that just add up quickly. So yeah, what really makes Monarch Money worth it? Well, let's break it down. So flexible budgeting, like traditional budgeters can set category caps, but if you prefer a looser style, Monarch's flex budgeting just lets you manage spending without micromanaging every single line. Like you can switch methods depending on your needs, which is super useful for freelancers or anyone with irregular income. There's also cash flow tracking, so you basically get powerful tools that break down income and expenses across any time frame. I was shocked with how much I was spending on food delivery once I filtered by merchant. This kind of insight really gives me more control over my spending. There's also recurring expense detection, so Monarch automatically flags subscriptions, bills, and paychecks, so you'll know if Netflix double charges you or if your internet bill creeps up unexpectedly. There's also the investment tracking, so you can sync your brokerage accounts or add holdings manually. It even tracks crypto and niche ETFs, and your full portfolio stays up to date. There's the Amazon Sync extension. This one's genius. So instead of lumping Amazon orders into one shopping category, it breaks down purchases by item and auto-categorizes them. It makes reviewing just much easier. Monarch also stands out for customization and partner collaboration. So if you want to tweak categories or budget types, easy. Need to share access with a partner? Monarch's live sync makes that seamless. Any update is instantly visible to both of you. And the full feature iPad version gives you a smooth experience on the go, and you can compare this to other budgeting apps. Empower is really great for investment dashboards, but the budgeting tools feel more rigid. Simplifi looks slick, but you can never really customize much. Monarch hits that sweet spot between power and ease of use. Now, is it perfect? Not quite. When I first signed up, the sheer number of features felt pretty overwhelming to me, It's it just was a lot. But, just after a couple sessions, after a couple days trying things out, it more clicked, and now I couldn't imagine switching back. There is a learning curve for sure, but it's worth it if you want a tool that grows with you. So, is Monarch Money worth it? Well, if you're ready to stop winging it and start managing your finances with clarity, confidence, and control, then yeah, it is. Check out our exclusive link in the description below for the latest pricing, free trial options, and any current promos. Just take 5 minutes to set it up. Your financial peace of mind is worth way more than $100 a year, so check it out and see what it's like.